YouTube family, what's the deal, man? It's your boy and we're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to break down a trade that I caught out this morning during London session to my private chat room, okay? You guys haven't know, I just recently launched a private chat room. It's only $40 a month, and you guys will have access to my one-on-one sessions, my live webinars, and my signals and trades that I call out and take every single day, okay? So if you guys want to join, man, the link will be down below. Also, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go subscribe to the family, man. We're almost at 500 subscribers, so let's keep growing. I appreciate all the love and support everyone has been showing me. In 2024, we're gonna end it with a banger, okay? So let's get into the actual breakdown. Actually, before I even get into the breakdown, I want to show you guys how you guys are able to purchase the private chat room subscription, okay? So the link will be down below. This is where it's gonna take you to. All you have to do is fill out your email, put your card information, and then you will receive a link through your email to join the actual Discord, okay? So this is what I'm providing in the Discord. Again, my signals, call through London session, live signals, live webinars, one-on-one sessions. We are going to be doing giveaways, and also you have access to the Telegram channel, okay? So you guys know when you call out signals, the Discord might, you know, be all over the place. So the Telegram is going to keep everything organized, and it's going to send you a direct message, okay? So you guys want to join, again, the link is down below. But beside all that, man, let's get into the actual breakdown, right? So this was a trade I took and called out this morning, and before I even get into the breakdown, I want to show you guys proof that I'm calling out these trades, okay? So as you guys can see, this is my private chat room, okay? This is where I'm calling out my trade. So this was when I sent out the trade at 1:13 a.m. okay? It shows that I'm waiting, and then right here it's telling everyone that I'm entering the trade, okay? So it tells you that I'm in this trade, and then as you guys can see, right, let's play this out. TP smashed, okay? So it shows right here, and also you could go to the results and you can see it down here, okay? So right here, there we go, TP smash for 9 pips on GJ, again, February 6th of 2024, okay? So everything is documented. Also in the trading chat room, again, we're always chopping it up, okay? So you guys have any questions, you guys actually want to learn how to trade and have a profitable strategy, go join the Discord, okay? But now that I got to show you guys that, let's get into the actual breakdown, okay? So when I first got to the charts, this is what I was seeing. I was right here. Okay, so let me remove all of this. So this was on the 5-minute. This was when I first got to the charts, right? So what am I noticing here, right? I'm noticing that we are already too low, okay? As you guys can see, price is all the way down here, right? And then we also move from this level up here all the way down, okay? So if price is already this low, I'm not looking to sell anytime soon because we're already at the bottom. You do not want to sell at the bottom. You want to buy at the bottom, sell at the top, okay? So as you guys can see, this is what I saw in the 5-minute, right? So again, it's a lot of consolidation. So what do? I go to the 1 hour, okay? So what is the 1 hour telling me, okay? The 1 hour is telling me that we are below the 200 EMA, okay? But we are consolidating and we're not breaking these lows right here. So as you can see, we keep rejecting off of this level, okay? So what that's showing me is, okay, cool, we may be bearish, but as of right now, since I'm scalping, price is looking very bullish, okay? You can see on the 1 hour candle right here, it's a strong bullish closure, okay? So what that's telling me is we do have volume to drive up, okay? So once I understood that, I go to the 4 hour. Now what is the 4 hour telling me? The 4 hours telling me that we are above the 200, okay? And we're also breaking structure to the upside. So as you guys can see, this move right here, right? We took out all of these highs right here, okay? So what is that telling me? That's telling me we are breaking structure to the upside and we should be looking for buys right now, okay? And as you guys can see, this 4 hour candle is also a very strong bullish candle, okay? So price again has support right here. We're bouncing off support, and we also have a 4 hour strong bullish candle, okay? So the 4 hour and the 1 hour are almost lining up except for the EMA on the 1 hour, but I'm sticking with what the higher time frame is telling me, okay? So understand today I should be only looking for buys, temporary, okay? So I understand that. Now let's go to the 5-minute. This is where the magic happens, okay? So right now I'm not seeing no trade. I need to see a break, a structure, okay? So as you guys can see, I see 2 demand zones, one right here, one right here. Now the reason why I don't like these 2 demand zones is because we are at the bottom of the 200 EMA. Okay, so when we're usually at the bottom of the 200, it's telling us that we have bearish pressure. Okay, so I don't like these 2 zones, but I'm still gonna mark them up. Okay, so let's play this out. Let's see what price do. So as I'm playing this out, right there. Now, as you guys can see, this first zone right here, it never gave us a break of structure, right? Because this was a previous high. Okay, same thing right here. It never gave us a break of structure. Because if I replay this from here to here, right, it never broke above these levels right here, at the body or at the wick, right? So that's telling me, okay, cool, we have demand zones, but we don't have a break of structure yet. Okay, so let's play this out. This candle print it, and boom, right there, this at this candle right here, right, we broke these highs right here. We also took out these highs over here, and we also came up to test these highs right here. Okay, so what is that telling me? That's telling me that, okay, cool, at this push right here where this bearish candle started, we took out 2 structure highs, and we also are testing the next high. Okay, so I'm gonna ignore these 2 zones right now, because why? We are already at the bottom, and it's sitting under the 200 EMA. Okay, so let me erase this. So now I'm here. This is what I'm seeing right now. So now I understood that at this move, okay, we have a break of structure right here, right here, right here. Okay, we're breaking structure, and we also have a demand zone. So before the candle that broke structure, look at the bearish candle before that previous bullish candle, right? From that top wick of that bearish candle to the bottom wick of this bearish candle. Okay, now this demand zone is valid. Why? Because we have gaps. Okay, so as you can see, when this candle took off, okay, it left a gap. Where's the gap? So the gap is gonna be from this candle right here to the bottom of here. That is the gap. This is the gap in the middle. Okay, so we have this gap that needs to be filled. As we are filling the gaps, we are also going to be tapping into the demand zone. Okay, so as soon as I understand that, let's play this out. Boom, we tapped in. Okay, so now gap is filled, because why? This candle came down, tapped, cleared everything out, and also tapped into the zone. Okay, so as I understand that, now prices at my zone, we are also rejecting off of the 200 EMA. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a candle break. Okay, it has to break the highest wick of the previous candle. So let's play this out. Again, price came down into the zone, still hasn't given me my entry. Right there, as you guys can see, right, this candle, bullish candle, it wicked past this previous bearish wick. It wicked up here and then it wicked down. Okay, that is a candle break for me. So what do I do right here? I take my long as soon as it break that previous bearish candle wick, I stops below, and then I go for my 1-to-1. I always go for a 1-to-1 because, again, I'm scalping in the market and I'm trying to make as much money as I can as fast as I can. Okay, the longer you sit on the charts, the more money you're bound to lose. Okay, so as it gives me the candle break, I took my entry, and now let's play it out. Literally, that is all I'm doing. In literally 5, 10, 15 minutes, again, we caught 9 pips. Okay, so this is literally all I'm doing. I have to see what price is doing on the higher time frame. Okay, what I've been noticing with a lot of traders is they don't understand what the higher time frame is telling them, so they end up counter trending, and that's how they lose. Okay, so you want to figure out the trend on the higher time frame, find your directional buys, either if you're buying or selling on the 5-minute, and stick to only one direction. Okay, if the higher time frame is telling you to buy, only be looking for buy setups. If the higher time frame is telling you to sell, only look for sell setups. Okay, so as you guys can see now, as this trade hit, I just want to play this out to let you guys see what really happened on this trade. Okay, so again, I went for a 1-to-1. If you like to hold runners, you definitely could on this trade. Why? Because we literally broke out of this whole range right here. This was a range. right? This was a range that we've been in. Now we broke out. We're above the 200 EMA, and we also have gaps above. Okay, so let me just play this out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So let's play this out again. My TP is already smashed, right? So let's just play this out. Okay, so as you can see, price went all the way up to here. Okay, that's a 2 to 1 risk to reward. Okay, so again, you could definitely hold this trade, but again, on the 1 hour time frame, we are still under the 200 EMA. So you have to know when you are going to be holding the trade and when you should be getting out. Okay, so to be on your safe side, always go for a 1-to-1, because most of the time you have a higher chance of hitting that. Okay, so again, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video, from this whole breakdown. Again, you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll answer any questions that you guys have. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.